Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, we're gonna open up settings. From here, you wanna navigate to About Phone, and at the bottom you'll see Factory Reset. Now when you press on it, it gives you info that it will remove everything that is listed right here. So if you want to back up your data, and because you want to keep some of these things, you can select Erase All Data counterintuitively, and it brings you up with this pop-up Back Up. So you can do it right now. Now I don't plan to back up anything, so I'm just gonna jump straight to Factory Reset. It will let me know that this process removes everything again, because it was already mentioned in the first page, and we need to wait 10 seconds because Xiaomi basically, and then another 10 seconds because Xiaomi. From there, click on OK, and this will now begin factory resetting our phone. Now this process will take about a minute, 2 minutes tops to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.